Welcome back to Modest Reviews. If this is your first time joining us, leave us a comment below and let us know what you think. And for all those returning, we appreciate the support. Today we're looking at the Premier Flexi-Grip smartphone flex grip mount. It is able to do portrait or landscape. This one is the horse or zebra, whichever way you'd like to look at that. So let's take a look at the sides and the back of the box here. If you'd like to, you could pause the video or take a screenshot to get a better look at those. It says it fits any smartphone and case. Universal design for devices under 6-inch screen size. So let's open it up and take a look at it here. As you can see, it does come in this plastic package here. We'll take that off. Alright. Make sure that that's screwed on good and tight where that connection here goes. So we'll fix the legs up, make it stand up nice and sturdy and even. As you can see, it's got full 360 movement there. But you could turn that into a tripod and then turn this around here. Alright, so let's grab a phone and we'll check it out. Alright, so as you can see, we have it out of the package. We do have a Samsung A50 installed there. And to do that, all you would do is just open the clamp mouth there, insert the phone into the non-slip grips there, so they make sure the phone is sturdy in there. Now if you hit it wrong, naturally it's going to be top heavy, but just sitting like that, as you can see, it sits just fine. So that way you could set it on your desk or your tabletop, and you can watch your videos on there that you would like, or you could even set it up to record using a front-facing camera, or if you really needed to, you can still have access to the back camera as well. Alright, so now you could also set this up as a tripod. You can set it up that way and still watch your videos there as well. And then if you'd like, you can pick this up and bend these down. And then you have a handheld, which you could even definitely multiple different uses for that. And then these are here, you could also, it says you can clamp them like so and turn it like this, and you can clamp it on the screen of a laptop or a desktop computer, so that's always an option. Then these legs will also wrap around like a banister or a flagpole, something small like that, hold that as well. So definitely a lot of multiple uses here, so that's great. For $5 at Walmart, any beginner can't go wrong with that. So leave us a comment below and let us know what you think. We really appreciate everything, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.